My eyes look like I am a dinosaur. Yes.
Today we're going to swap makeup routines! So basically I am really simple and she is the makeup queen. So we're going to swap makeup for 5 days and see how it goes.
Bold, intense, dramatic.
Wow. Simple, lazy, and invisible.
Oh my god. It can range as quick as 30 minutes to like 2 hours.
As quick?
Yeah.
Damn, girl! I give myself like 5 to 10 minutes. I'd rather like
Must-haves is definitely eye region. Otherwise I just have no eyes. And then I definitely need contour and a bold lip. If I don't put anything on it, it just looks dead.
Her lips are so fat and juicy, like a slug, but in a good way. My must-have is probably my entire routine. It's just, it's just the concealer.
Okay, you ready?
Okay.
Okay, step 1, primer. Step 2, foundation. Step 3, concealer.
Step 4, powder. Step 5, eyeshadow, eyebrows, eyeliners, mascara, and then you've got the falsies.
And we're not done yet. You need to highlight the inner corners, that's a must. And then you're gonna do the bronzer, the blush, the highlight, and then you need to go to the lip liners. Oh, did we forget brows?
I don't even know where we are right now.
And then the lips.
Okay, I understand why this is a multi-billion-dollar industry now.
Oh, forgot to mention. What I always do, like when I'm on camera, is I wear contacts.
No!
I look forward to your makeup routine.
Oh yeah, I'm sure
That
you
was
do.
it.
I'm like the lazy man's girl. Okay, it's all about basics. So first I will start with primer and then I'll go through with a concealer just to conceal like the mountains on my chin, under my eyes. It's all the same color, there's no highlighting or anything. And then I'll just pack that down with some powder. Actually, I'm not that basic. I still like put a little color to my cheeks with a blush, and then I'll have the good old Hoola bronzer. I just use the bronzer as my eyeshadow color. I go like this and draw it down here. And then connect the dots. So I have this palette, but I use one shade out of it. You're only allowed to use this one because that's all I use. And then I just pop that into the crease and pretty much all over the eyelid.
That's the worst. Like giving them a buffet and be like, you can only eat this one tiny shrimp, this one shrimp.
And then I'll just curl the lashes with some mascara. And then I have brows. It's just 50 shades of brown.
Wait, so you have no lips?
Oh, I do have lips. Okay, it's like a My Lip but better. Can you see it?
No, I didn't think you had anything on.
Well, that's the point, right? My Lip but better. So yeah, this is my favorite from Too Faced, and it's the Spice Baby. Ding, 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 ding.
Yo, man, let's get out of here.
Yeah! Let's go.
Here goes nothing. Her makeup routine done. Took me a solid hour to put this face on. Look at that. So gotta keep it professional even though these lips say otherwise. Okay, we have a meeting, let's go.
And we're gonna go have lunch. So I'm gonna go in my naked face. It made me feel like I wasn't like really my 100%.
So by the way, I had to take off that like drastic purpley black lipstick because no one would take me seriously in the meeting. And I felt like everyone was just looking at my lips. So yes, reverted to a more neutral color.
Okay, so successfully exchanged the pants at AG, and the funny thing is the guy who served me when I went to buy it, he was like, oh, so you're Mia, because I had no makeup on today, so he probably couldn't recognize me.
I'm like either no makeup or like a full face of makeup.
Okay, and we're back. Oh my god, you can even see the concealer marks, how red I am. Oh my god.
Just realized, oh my god, my eyes are so red. It's starting to transfer, Mia. So I realized put on my glasses, and because these fake eyelashes are so long, it's like getting caught in the glass frames. It claims to be stay all day, but it's not stay all day. She had a croissant and it's already like peeling off.
Good morning. So this is day 2 of the challenge, and I'm going to get ready and put my face on.
It's like one of the coldest days in New York right now. I kind of just want to nuzzle my face inside my scarf, but I cannot because there's about 3 layers of makeup on this face. I just want to hide, it's so cold.
So my makeup's done. That took like 2 minutes. No eyes.
Photo bomb.
Having all the makeup on, I felt like while I was walking on the street that everyone was just looking at my sparkly dolphin eyelids.
It's really heavy, the eyelashes. And I kind of feel like everyone on the street is looking at me strange, but that could just be me. They probably don't give a damn.
Do you think a girl's makeup says about them?
It depends on the makeup and how the makeup looks, of course, but
It's also quite windy, and I feel like these lashes might flutter off if I don't squint a little.
I think it's really special when someone does that.
I definitely feel like a hood rat.
See my normal makeup where I look like when I'm on camera, right?
Sure.
And then compared to this makeup, which one do you prefer?
I like the on-camera makeup a lot.
Is this my normal makeup?
Something different. Is the eye area? It's like more of this.
Okay, so would you much prefer that makeup look on me than this, right?
It's not like you look bad right now. You look great. It's just, you look amazing when you do all of that, so you should do it.
But I feel like it's extra right now.
It's extra.
Oh my god. This has been on my eye for like 12 hours. Yes. Yes. Man, I don't know if I'm actually tired or it's just the weight of these eyelashes that are making me feel tired. I just woke up and I realized I'm already late. I don't wanna do it. Take me as I am. Okay, let's do it.
The hardest part, I think, was waking up. Like, I would wake up and I would just dread putting on makeup.
At the office, going to do it now. And as you can see, I've moved my entire life over here. See how long it takes.
And now I'm just gonna curl the lashes. As you can see, I have like literally no lashes. This is called excessive lash. This is nowhere near excessive. To me, it just proves how like small my lashes are to begin with, that you can't even see anything.
Meanwhile.
Okay, so I'm off to lunch with my naked face. Like seriously, you can't even see my eyelashes. They're so sad. I learned having good skin and long lashes would be ideal. Do you like this makeup look on me?
Yes.
Is it more natural?
Yes.
Mia, did I do well? Does it look like your style?
No. Do you prefer this or my everyday on camera look?
Where have I failed you?
Everything has to be intensified.
This one.
You prefer this one?
Yes.
Back to the drawing board.
I learned that I'm not good at not doing my makeup fully. I look like a blank canvas.
Taking the day's makeup off. Wow. Just let me be. Oh my god. Good morning. It is day 3 or 4. You know what? Honestly, I don't even know what day it is. It's just been so tiring.
So this is day 4 of the no makeup. I feel amazing.
But we're about to put on our face. So I'm actually starting to break out. And I don't know if it's from actually putting on like more makeup. Get my butt.
Okay, so Mia has kindly laid out all the products to put on a face. This is so scary. It's gonna take me another 20 minutes to put on this contact. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. How do I do this?
20 minutes later.
I got it in. Pop goes the other one. The hardest thing were the damn contacts that took me like 25 minutes to poke that sucker into my eye. Success!
Okay, so now my face is done and she still hasn't done her eyes.
Lipiderm.
Okay, I'm done.
Where's your blush? Where's your highlight?
It didn't come up. This was it. Okay, what's the highlight? Makeup really is an art because you're playing with like shadows and depth and like glitters to bring it out. Struggled too hard. Dun, dun, dun. My eyes look like I am a dinosaur. Did I pass today? This is still not okay.
It's not smoky enough.
So hard to please this woman. Okay, I abort mission. I cannot do it.
Today is actually the last day of the makeup swap challenge.
Last day of makeup.
I think I'm actually going to miss a light makeup because honestly, if I'm not filming, I prefer to wear no makeup. And it's kind of been hard because I either go no makeup at all or like a full face of makeup. So kind of this like in between no makeup, makeup look type of thing is actually harder than it looks.
Okay, I have to say I was also a little bit lazy on the whole putting on blush and contour.
So my makeup is done. I pretty much skipped like bronzing and everything like that because I feel like if I want to have a no makeup day, I just usually stick with just eyebrows. So we're gonna head out now.
So beautiful! Thank God that 1 week is finally over. I did actually have a lot of fun.
Okay, so I think the most interesting thing was to hear the feedback from people about like what they like on me.
It was interesting in that I think people think you're a different person almost when you're like dolled up. Your identity is almost a little different. Like people know you as being basic or being simple, and then once you step out of that, it's like, who are you? So actually another thing I kind of think is that some people's features are just made for makeup.
Alicia's right about like some faces are just made for makeup.
After this, maybe my face is just not meant for a lot of makeup.
I think I'm pretty lucky that I just have features that can wear a lot of makeup. It just holds.
Whatever it is that you're most comfortable with, I think that's like, you know, the most important thing.
I guess it's just all about having fun and just enjoying whatever you put on, because at the end of the day, you wash this all off and you're still you.
Okay guys, so that concludes our weekly challenge, our first one.
Yes!
Took us on an adventure. So let us know if you guys have any other ideas about what challenges you want to throw at us. It can be like anything. Eating, like food, or it can be makeup, it can be like style, anything like that. Put it in the comments and, you know, we'll take a look at it. See what we can do next.
So if you enjoyed this kind of video, remember to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more. So thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye!